Meet the falcon, nature's fastest hunter. This bird can dive at over 300 kilometers per hour, faster than a race car. And their eyesight? It's 8 times better than humans. They can spot prey from miles away. Falcons catch their food right in the air with perfect precision. They even have a special notch in their beak to kill prey quickly. Some falcons travel thousands of kilometers when they migrate. End with falcon perched proudly and text, like, share, subscribe, amazing, right? Falcons are true kings of the sky. Like and subscribe for more wild animal facts.